Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Place your dried peas in a large pot and cover with water. Bring to a boil for 2 minutes. Remove the pot from the heat and allow the peas to soak for 1 hour. You may notice that the water level has decreased and the peas have grown in size, indicating that they have absorbed some of the water.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
About 1 hour. Drain your beans from the soaking liquid and give them a quick rinse under cold water. Place beans in a large pot and cover them with 4 inches of chicken stock. Simmer, covered, for about 1 hour. Start checking after 45 minutes to see if they are tender and add more broth or water as necessary to keep them covered.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Garlic and onion. This common kitchen duo is commonly used to add flavor to black-eyed peas. Garlic is either chopped or minced to release the pungent flavor. Chopped onion is used to release sweetness, especially if it is sautéed first. Together, they combine to add flavor and enhance the overall dish.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Place beans in a large pot and cover them with 4 inches of chicken stock. Simmer, covered, for about 1 hour. Start checking after 45 minutes to see if they are tender and add more broth or water as necessary to keep them covered. Add in a ham bone if you have one for even better black-eyed peas.
Take our lead.
Due to their content of protein and soluble fiber, adding black-eyed peas to your diet is a great way to boost weight loss. Protein, in particular, has been shown to reduce levels of ghrelin, a hormone that's responsible for stimulating feelings of hunger. 3-4.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Soak the peas overnight, then drain the water and rinse. Alternatively, you can quick soak the peas by bringing them and the water to a boil for 2 minutes. After this, remove them from the heat, cover the pot and soak the peas for 1 hour. Then, drain and rinse the peas.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Place dried peas in a pot, cover with water, and bring to a boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove pot from heat and allow to stand for 60 to 90 minutes. Drain water and replace with fresh, cold water for cooking, or if you skip the hot soaking step, just rinse and add cold water.
Take our lead.
Cooking time. Some beans cook better when they are slow cooked. Even if they are adequately pre-soaked, simply boiling them won't do. Black-eyed peas, kidney beans and pinto beans are a few examples that need both pre-soaking and slow cooking. Cover the beans in water in a pot and bring to a boil.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Vigna anguiculata subsp. Dickensiana is the wild relative and Vigna anguiculata subsp. Sesquipedalis is the related asparagus bean. Other beans of somewhat similar appearance, such as the frijol ojo de cabra, goat's eye bean, of northern Mexico, are sometimes incorrectly called black-eyed peas, and vice versa.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.